Hey YouTube, what's up? Ryan here with another vacuum cleaner video. This time it's for my Hoover Concept One power drive. Little bit of a story of this vacuum. I got this, by the way, if you hear that noise in the background, I'm doing laundry. Anyway, little story about this vacuum. I recently got this from a fellow vacuumland person. He wanted to get rid of it. I'm like, sure, I'll buy it. So I sent him the money, and 3 months later, he finally was able to ship it to me. He had taken the handle apart, plus the power drive, and when he did that, he kind of messed it up a little bit. So, had to take it to the vacuum store, had them put it together, and they were able to do it for me and was able to get it. Gave it a little bit of a cleaning up and didn't need much. The only thing it really needed was 2 light bulbs, which I did put in. Got the green model here. So the back of the vacuum, power switch. It does have the 2-speed motor. I have no idea why that was put on there. So, got the handle release, power drive with the self-propelled, and you got shag, plus, and self-adjusting. I have it on the self-adjusting right now. And brush roll. There you go. I'm really glad that I finally now have a Concept One. I've been wanting one of these for a while now. I do have my blue one, which is exactly like to this. I found at a thrift store, but until I could get it working, because the cord wheel doesn't work, this one does. And once I get the self-propelled working, hopefully, then I'll do a video of both of them together. So, right now, show you this one running. There you go. For the last couple of seconds before I shut the vacuum off, I did put it into the high speed. So high, low, high. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Plenty more to come.